Welcome to my honest review of Webflow. In 2026, it's positioning itself not just as a website builder, but as an AI-native platform for marketing teams. And honestly, looking at the homepage, the claims are impressive. Huge increases in traffic, millions in cost savings, and sites launched in days. So diving into Webflow's own site for this review, the first thing that hits you is the sheer scale of its customers. That's the level of impact we're talking about, and it immediately sets the stage for what Webflow is all about in 2026, helping businesses move from idea to impact faster than ever. And the big driver here is artificial intelligence. Now, let's look at the pricing, which breaks down into 4 clear tiers. There's a free starter plan that's great for experimenting with the basics and Webflow AI on a webflow.io domain. The $14 basic plan is for simple sites like portfolios, but it has no CMS for blogs. For content creators, the $23 CMS plan is the real starting point, giving you 2,000 database items. Finally, the $39 business plan is for high-traffic marketing sites, boosting your pages, CMS items, and bandwidth significantly. The key thing is that all paid plans include Webflow AI, so you're mostly paying for increased limits and CMS power as you scale. See you in the next video.